Are you having any kinds of problem on the P&O Cruises application or on the website, like the website is not loading properly or it's constantly crashing? Well, there are some fixes that you can try if you're having problems on the application or on the website. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of internet issues while logging in. However, if you are still facing any kinds of problem, you want to go to Safari first and you want to search for P&O Cruises. After that, you want to click on the website and simply tap on sign in over here. Click on sign in to log in into your account, and you can simply log in into your account by typing out these informations over here and simply tapping on log in. However, if you are having any kinds of problem on the application, you want to simply uninstall the application and install it again from the App Store. However, if that doesn't solve the problem, simply restart your device once and open the app or the website again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.